Okay, this is Petunia. She is, I think of her as a small, delicate cat. She has a very slender, elegant neck. We're gonna lay that down. I'm not sure, she's got a tail. I think, do I want her tail on this side or do I want it on this side? I think I'm gonna put it on this side. So I'm gonna shift her body a little bit over to the side here. Not too much. And we'll get the tail in place too. So both the cut edge, the straight edge at the bottom of the body, neck, and the bottom of the tail both get lined up with the bottom edge of the block. Yeah, that's gonna fit in there just fine. So next step, we do her head. And you can change the angle on the head if you wanted to, but I'm gonna do it just like the pattern describes so that you're seeing the way I drew it and not a variation on it. And then she gets her ears in place. And then she gets pretty eyes. Now I could have backed her eyes in a lighter color to make them show up more. But I really didn't want them to be, there's a little bit of definition and that is okay with me. I don't want them to disappear completely, but sometimes I don't like putting that contrast behind it. Sometimes it makes them show up a little too much. And black cats, their eyes are a little bit hidden. They're mysterious. But there's a tutorial showing how to add a contrasting fabric behind the eyes if you're using a darker fabric that really needs that little bit of contrast. So I'll drop a link to that in there. And there she is, ready for outlining.